Hi friends, let's learn why does my iPhone 16e Face ID ask for a passcode after restart? Well, if you are thinking of these things, then if I just explain you why all these things happen, then your iPhone 16e may require a passcode after a restart to add an extra layer of security into your phone. Well, Face ID is a convenience for unlocking, but the passcode is still needed for various security sensitive operations like device unlock for a restart or after a restart or extended periods of inactivity. Well, this is just a security purpose, just for the security purpose actually. Now, if we talk about what to do, then there are basic things you can check out. That is, simply enter your passcode when prompted. Whenever the passcode is prompted in front of that, you can simply enter the passcode here. As you can see, just simply enter the passcode and unlock your iPhone. Otherwise, verify the Face ID is properly set up and enabled in settings and Face ID and passcode. Well, make sure the Face ID you have added into it is properly set it up and completely done. For that, you need to go to settings, go to Face ID and passcode as you can see here. Enter the passcode to go in and then make sure that your Face ID is completely set it up, and make sure that you have clicked this iPhone unlock. And even if the passcode is required for other services as well, then you just need to select these things so that these apps will be get unlocked with your Face ID only. You need like iTunes and App Store, you need to unlock. If you want to unlock these apps on with your Face ID, then you need to enable this option as well. This is how you can actually do that. Otherwise, you can also go for uh like okay, let's just cancel it. The next one is make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS to ensure optimal performance and security into it. For that, you need to go to settings again, go to general, click on iPhone software update, and make sure that you're using the updated version. As you can see right now, the software update is available in my phone. So make sure in your phone as well there should be no software update available. You must like update or use the updated version into your iPhone. If we talk about the last one, that is the keep your passcode readily available as it is virtual security measure as well. Otherwise, you can go or you can directly call the Apple customer support. They will definitely help you if you're still facing that. So I hope this is going to be informative. Thank you so much and may you all have a great day.